Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Find X3 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can copy contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, you'll want to open up your contacts application, and from here tap on the three bars right here and go to settings, where you should find option to import at the bottom. So there we go, import, select your SIM card, and this will show you all the contacts that are on your SIM card. So by default they will all be selected. If you don't want all of the contacts, deselect the ones that you don't want and click on import. It asks you if you want to also remove those contacts from the SIM card once you import. That is completely up to you. I don't want to remove them, so I'm gonna select keep. And now when you go back, you will be able to see all your contacts in your list right here. And that is how you import your contacts. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.